Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I'm on a mission and I won't stop. No destination, but it's one shot.
If y'all want to create this look, please keep on watching. I would really love for y'all to keep watching if y'all want to look this fabulous. So first of all, I already did my eyebrows, and I'm going to do my base on my eye. So I'm going to use the Revolution, this one, in color C3. I don't have any name. So line it all over my eyelids. Then I'm just going to grab a sponge, just pat it down. This is the sponge from Real Techniques. I'm applying more because I'm good enough, especially for my black eyes. So I'm applying it all over. I'm going to do the same in the other eye. So I hope you all have a fantastic Valentine's. I know it's already around the corner and it's super exciting. So if you don't have a date or anything like that, I mean, you know, love is everywhere. So right here, what I'm doing, I am using the air sponge. So I'm going to use it on the other eye as well. Let's start with our eyeshadow, guys. So I'm gonna get like a fluffy brush and start doing my eyeshadow, guys. So I have this one from AOA Studios. It's called E26 brush. I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna use something Too Faced chocolate palette. So I'm gonna start using this color right here. And I'm going to use it all over my eyelid, on top of my eyelid. Sorry, my voice sounds kind of crazy. It's because I've been sick for like a week and I'm trying to recover. And it's getting back to normal, guys. So I'm just doing shadow. What is it called? Just doing these. Just doing it softly. So I'm going to use this brush. It's from the AOA as well. I know it's like this. And I'm going to use the coconut cream color. This one right here on my eyelid. Then I'm going to use like a darker color. I'm going to use this one here. So I'm just going to go gently on top. Then I grab my other sponge because I don't like harsh lines. So I'm going to put it down here as well. I will be cleaning up though, so. It's okay. Then the brush, just it out like that. And I'm going to do the other side. You see how it brought the eye bigger? So I'm going to do the other side. Alright, so I guess that's top thing did not work out with me, so I'm gonna use something different. So I'm gonna use this one from Maybelline 9B. 9B, and I'm gonna use this color right here. And I'm gonna use like a flat brush. And I'm just gonna tap it on top. Alright, so I get my brush again, the one I was using. It just does everything. Using this one too, it's from Sephora. It's a fluffy brush. It says featherweight crease. Okay, looks the same. So I'm gonna use Road Trip. This color. And I'm using the Morphe 321 brush. Oreo foundation. I'm going to use the Tarte shape. Color light. And use the sponge again. So now I'm going to use the Purdy Broker translucent powder. Like, Lord Jesus, look at my face. What is going on? I'm gonna use this two little flip underneath my eyelid like this. So I'm using the Hoola bronzer. Gently. I'm gonna use this one. Becca. On my nose too. So I'm going to use like a small brush. Bronzer. Matte. I'm going to use this one. On my face. It's called Bad God Bang. I'm using it on top. And then on bottom. I'm gonna use this on top of my eyelids for glitter. Goddess. I'm just gonna tap it on top. So I'm gonna use the Cover FX highlighter in the color Nova. Just want more highlights. I hope you like it, so please like and subscribe, and please come back to my channel. I will be doing another video soon. Bye guys.